Alright mga amigos, ipinaliwanag ng Hall of Fame boxer na si Timothy Bradley ang dahilan kung bakit easy work lang daw po si Jaron Boots Ennis kay Terence Bud Crawford sakaling maglaban ng dalawa. Batid ni Bradley na may speed at power din si Ennis pang tapat kay Crawford. Pero once na matamaan na raw po ni Crawford sa baba o sa panga, itong batang Philadelphia, hindi na raw po ito makakabangon.
Crawford gonna beat the damn Philly cheesesteaks out of damn Boots Ennis. Shit. He gonna beat the Philly cheesesteaks out of Boots Ennis' ass. Yeah, he sure is. He gonna knock him out. He get touched on that chin though. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, shit. Kumbaya. Kumbaya, my lord. Kumbaya. Kumbaya, my lord. That's what they gonna be singing right after, because he gonna be having to pick his, hey, he ain't getting up. I promise y'all that. When Crawford catch his ass, if they were to fight, man, I said, it's easy work. Boots gonna do all the work for him.
Ayon kay Bradley, ang magpapadali ng laban para kay Crawford ay yung mismong estilo na rin ni Jaron Boots Ennis. Kilala si Crawford sa pagiging kalmado at pasensyosong mandirigma. Matalino at masusing pinag-aaralan ng bawat galaw ng kanyang kalaban. You can't make too many mistakes against Crawford. Kaya naman yung pagiging mainipin ni Ennis sa laban, yung bitaw ng malalakas na suntok, sugod ng sugod, gusto ka agad i-knockout ang kanyang kalaban, yan daw po mismo ang magpapahama kay Ennis sa laban kay Crawford. Kung matututunan daw pong kumalma sa laban ni Ennis, baka sakaling may tsansa pa siya. Pero sa nakikita po ni Bradley, parang malabo dahil wala nga daw pong disiplina lumaban itong si Ennis. Laging nagmamadali. Ugaling taga Philadelphia talaga.
Boots gonna set himself up. All that lunging and shit that he does. See, I'm telling y'all, man. See, when you're fighting Crawford, you gotta be patient. You can't be making all them damn mistakes. You can't. The more mistakes you make, the more they're gonna make your ass pay. And Boots with all them damn mistakes and, you know, his giggly ass, you know what I'm saying? Because he always try to, I gotta get to it. You know what I'm saying? If he learned how to calm the hell down, he might have a chance. But shit, you know, he don't know how to calm down. He don't fight discipline. He don't. He always rushing everything. It's the Philly in him. You know, so if they were to fight, that's fucking easy work. Terence Crawford, stoppage, knockout, brutal ass knockout. Shit, top 10 ESPN.
Samantala sa iba pang balita, IBF World Super Middleweight Champion Osleis Iglesias may kartadang 15-0 with 14 knockouts. Kumpirmado na po na dedepensa ng kanyang titulo sa darating na October 8. Kanya po makakalaban ng number 5 contender na isa ring undefeated na si Oliver Sarin. May kartadang 19-0 with 8 knockouts. May mga report din po mga amigos na ang magwawagi daw po sa laban na ito ay posibleng susunod na makakalaban na magwawagi naman po sa bakbakang Canelo Alvarez at Christian Mbili. Sa hinang baraha, patunayan mo sa akin ha, sino man